Hello everyone, welcome to another PsychoPy3/Gitlab tutorial brought to you by Words in the World. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to make an SSH key, which you'll need to clone projects and do other things on Gitlab. So let's go over to Pavlovia and get started. So if I go to my dashboard, I can access my Gitlab account by clicking on my name here. And once I'm inside here, I can check if I have an SSH key or not by going to Settings on my profile and clicking on the tab SSH Keys. Now here, I've actually gone ahead and deleted my SSH key, so I don't have one at the moment. And so up here, there are instructions that show you how to generate your SSH key. So I'm going to click on Generate One. And the line that I care about is this one. So I want to create an SSH key using RSA. The difference between these two is not important, but I'm just going to highlight this, and I'm going to run this in command prompt or the terminal. So if you don't know how to do that, you can access command prompt in two different ways. So first, you can go down to Windows System and open up command prompt this way. It will look like this. Or if you're a Windows user, you can press the Windows button and R, and then open up Run, and then open CMD, and that will open this. So what I'm going to do is paste this code, or this command rather, into the command prompt, and I want to alter the this message here. Essentially, this will personalize my SSH key and give it a name. So I'll just make it the same as my account name on GitLab. So I press enter. It's going to say it's generating a key. Okay, and it's just going to ask me where I want to save the key. It's going to create its own little folder for it, and it's going to create a file called ID RSA. That's fine, so I'll just press enter. And it's going to ask me if I want to overwrite my old key that's stored there, so I'll go ahead and do that. And now it's going to give me an optional passphrase to access this key. For my purposes, I don't need this, so I'll just press enter again and again. And so now this has been generated. So I'm just going to navigate to this folder here. So I'll go into Users, Jorda, and then this folder, and I should be able to find my key there. So if I go to C, Users, Jorda, there's this SSH folder. Now it's going to want to open this in Microsoft Publisher, but it won't actually, well, at least my Microsoft Publisher wouldn't open it. So I can open with, and I don't think it will give you the option to open it with Notepad, but I'm just going to go ahead and open it with Notepad. If it doesn't give you the option, you can click on Open With, and then choose another app, and then from amongst the options, you can select Notepad. And all we're going to do is select all. So I can just use Control-A to select all, or you can kind of highlight it all manually with your mouse, copy it, and then we're going to go back to this SSH key page into here and paste it. And so now it's going to automatically detect that the title of this SSH key is Jordan Gallant, same as my profile. I'm going to add the key. There we go. So this key's been added. If I click back on SSH keys down here, I can see that I now have an SSH key. And this is going to kind of expand the functionality that I have with GitLab, and it's going to allow me to work with other users safely so that they know who it is that they're dealing with. All right, that's everything. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. Again, the real trick is just getting comfortable with using command prompt. So if you have any other questions or requests for videos, this is my email here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.